Sa box office po, I think I answered this question already. We're not thinking about that. We're not after the box office. Who doesn't want naman in the beginning? Diba? Sino ayaw maging box office? Who doesn't want to do a part 2? Who doesn't want to do another film next year? Who doesn't want to have a reason to come back to MMFF? But definitely, I think nakaikot na po kami. We've presented the things in such a way with a very beautiful story that tackles mental health awareness, and to be given this opportunity to be part of the 50th Metro Manila Film Festival is such an honor. First time ko din po, actually second time. So yun, I think there's no pressure. We're just all having fun, and we just read this movie is not just a movie. Hindi lang to nitty-gritty stuff. This has a message. This definitely has a message, and that's what we're here for. That's what we want to tell the people. That's what we want people to know. And yun po. So, all enjoy, all fun. So, hopefully, mapanood nyo po.
Follow up lang, Arjo. After this challenging role, what was the first thing you did to unwind, to distress?
Distress? I think parang wala akong time to distress. Parang wala akong time to distress. I think distressing on the set. It was very therapeutic eh. It's such a heavy role. Mahirap po yung role, I have to admit, because as I said, I don't want to represent anything badly. No? We want to send the message, and as simple as that. No? I'm not trying to get famous or whatever from just this. No? But definitely, sorry, what was the question again?
Yeah, what did you do after filming?
Oh, yun lang po. I think sa set lang po. Like we were talking about with Jules, diba? Kausap ko lang po si Jules, I think, kanina, the other time, we were saying na medyo mahirap siya, iyak, drama, takbo, pero that's what I was saying. Kaibigan namin lahat nasa set eh. So pag sinabing cut, we're all just laughing. Tapos pagdating na naman sa set, nagpapatayin na mo kami. So it's really like you know, parang may pagka-bipolar, but it kept us, no, I mean that seriously, pero it kept us on work. It kept us 100%. It kept us going. That was the flow. That was the momentum, and it kept going. And we finished the beautiful story. And you know, just thank you for this opportunity.
And Direk, ito naman, what if gagawa kayo ng sequel ng Topak? Ano namang issue yung gusto mong i-tackle?